So let's talk about Bitcoin and the rising wedges that keeps breaking down, goes back up. Um, it's kind of annoying because I've drawn two rising wedges on this move upwards, and they keep breaking down. There's not a lot of convincing volume. It goes back up, forms a bigger rising wedge. I'm not sure what the first one was, but the second one was something like was this one right here. You see some nice consolidating or diverging volume going down a little bit, breaks down, forms a nice bear pennant. And what does it do next? Well, it goes back up. And on some decent volume too, compared to the volume previously. And yeah, you should definitely be careful with trading this rising wedge at this point, because it keeps forming a bigger rising wedge. Price goes up, 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 but the volume goes down and down and down. So that's a bearish signal. You know, if the price moves a certain way, but the volume goes down or is diverging, there's not a lot of confidence in that move, and so it will. There's a big chance that it will probably return to its opposite direction, and that's pretty much with every how do I say this? With every pattern, sorry, English is not my first language. Anyway, with every pattern you have like a, let's say a bull flag. So a bull flag goes something like this, right? So the volume goes down, or the price goes down, but the volume also goes down. So there's not a lot of confidence in this downwards movement, and at some point it breaks out and volume goes up too. So there's a lot of confidence in this breakout. Same thing happens in a bear flag. So price goes up, something like this, but the volume goes down, and suddenly the bear flag breaks down and the volume goes up. So there's a lot of confidence in this move and not a lot of confidence in this move, right? So that's really TA on a very basic principle. I have to remove all these lines. God damn it. Anyway, so that's what keeps happening with rising wedge. So the price keeps going up, 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 but the volume is not very convincing. If you look on the bigger time scale, especially, you see it more clearly. Right? So the average volume, this orange line, is going down. So volume keeps getting lower and lower until one point there are not a lot of bulls left. There's not so much buying pressure left, and it breaks down. And so the people who bought here or lower, they dump all their BTC, and the market goes and the price goes down. So basically, that's what happens right now. And I'm warning you guys. This rising wedge is still is legit, but it keeps forming a bigger one because it breaks down. It forms a nice bear pennant right here. Let's look at 1 hour. So it forms a nice bear pennant right here, right? So volume goes down, bear pennant, and suddenly you see a breakout and it goes up, which can happen. I mean, there's a bigger chance in a bear pennant than it goes down, but it can go up. So that's what happens. And well, if you would have traded this one, what you should have done is either short right on this breakout with tight stop loss, or place a short here with a tight stop loss right here. So if it goes up like it did right now, you don't have a lot of loss, and you can place your bet again on a next possible breakout. Or what you also can do to play really safe is watch for the breakout, then see where it bounces, right? So right here, you see a bearish forming a bearish signal, and then you wait for the next breakout, and then you place your short with stop loss. That's just that is the most safest way to trade these. But if you're unsure of the next move, well, you can just stand on the sideline, right? So at this point, it probably goes up a little bit higher, until at one point all the bulls are exhausted and it actually breaks down. I still believe there's a bigger chance of that happening than going up endlessly, because it's still, well, it's a rising wedge with diverging volume, so that's just what's probably going to happen. Then yet again, I could be wrong. You know, this is not a trading advice. It's just my opinion on the current market. So I thought, since I get a lot of requests to update my charts, to people ask me what I think is going to happen next, and I thought I'd make a quick video because I can explain a little bit more than just drawing some lines, right? So anyway, if you want to trade safely, just really trade it only on when the breakout is confirmed. Other than that, it's just pure calculation, and this can be anything. So a pattern is not a pattern until it actually is confirmed by breaking down or breaking up or whatever, right? So currently this is possibly a rising wedge with diverging volume, or volume that's going down, and there's a big chance that it probably breaks downwards. But when that happens, I cannot tell you that. We will find a lot of resistance right now. The most interesting part is well, the previous high, which is this one. If it goes up beyond that and it finds support on that previous high, well, that would be semi-bullish. Until that, I'm bearish. So anyway, I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.